Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Restoration Rescue, and we're hopping back on the 63. All right, so like I said, we're back on the 63, but we've changed sides of the cab to this side where we're gonna start working our way up here. And as you can see, it's not as bad rusted until we get up into this corner and then up here. So we won't have to take hopefully too much metal, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna open this up and start inspecting it and hopefully start to put it back together. All right, look at that. That looks pretty good. In comparison to the other side where half of this was all rotted out and the outer panel was gone. Some of this was all chewed up on that side. This side is, I would say, immaculate in comparison to that other side, which we were able to take care of pretty nicely. And we don't really have to get up in here, cut this. So there's not gonna be as much grinding. There's gonna be some straight grinding, which makes it a lot easier. But we did find that this piece right here was pretty much shot, so we did rip it off. The inside in this panel, so right on here, there's a little bit of a crack, which we could save, just throw some weld on it, not that big a deal before we patch it all up. I just want to grind this back and throw some paint and rust reformer on it so that I don't have to worry about rust in the future. Still have to cut this out, which is not that big a deal. And then we just got to start making a panel that comes over like this and down all the way to here. And this side is pretty much wrapped up minus out here, but that's another video. So let's start grinding. right, so that panel is in. It needs a lot of grinding, welding, and grinding left to be perfect, but it's getting there. So in here in the corners, we need to do some more grinding. We gotta whip out the Dremel tool and grind in there. We also have some spot welds that we need to knock out, like right in here. So it's attached to this inner part of the frame. So that makes it nice and strong. But that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on this and on the 63. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you're not, please do consider doing it and smashing that like if you guys are enjoying the videos. It really helps us out. And we'll see you guys next Saturday.